Yo, what up, what up? It's a boy Liljubboydm. Today I came with another one. Before we started, I want to highlight you all my homies and all for support. Please, you should subscribe for my channel, Liljubboydm, my YouTube channel and my Instagram. Please, Liljubboydm, and the YDM come with uppercase. In case you don't know, the spelling is Liljubbo. Then YDM with uppercase. Thank you. Let's go. Today I come with another beat. This is drilling type, that kind of London beat. uh, Let me show you how it is. I first started with my cute snap. I started with it like this. Yes, the cute snap is moving the way I like it, and I already mix it. As you can see, I've already mastered my beat, so I'm just giving a tutorial shortly so that to make me not stay long, because I spent some hours doing it. The next one, I go with my the vocal, the female vocal is going, it's going like this. It's going somehow. The female vocal is sounding the way I like it. It's going like this. Then the other one I go with, and I'll just maintain my own tempo with, my tempo is 113 sorry. So I maintain that, but normally drilling is 140 141. 141, that's how drilling going, but according to me I just kick on because I make it to have a beat, and I make it to myself. I make it the way I want it. As you can see, I prolong it because I'm going to collaborate with a lot of artists, like kind of 5 artists. I maintain my verse like this for here, another verse, then another 2 verse. I convert them into 2, then another last verse. These ones are hook, this one are hook, this ones are hook, this one too. And it started with hook, so I slow down the first bounce for the hook because I want to make it so professionally. I slow down for the first hook, then from the half of it, then it will rise, it will be bouncing louder. I want it to start it slow. It's the same vocal going to drop on it, but I make it to start it slow so that for the next is going to bounce. Yes, thank you. And another one too, and I'll go with another one like this one. Most of it I make it just directly, but I make it the way it has to be. Yeah, you feel that? Yeah. Then another one like this one. Another one like this one. That's number 3. Number 2.